battle for many years, as I told you. Okay? The body is around 8 meters and 4 meters high. Represented
8
the
and
lion,
4,
yes.
okay.
Represented the king in a lion body with human head. That means the king is very strong as a lion, and human head means he has wisdom like human. Yes, I'm very strong as a lion, but I am not aggressive as an animal. I can use my power to do useful things for my people, for my nation. This is the meaning. Okay? And they always represented the lion body in sitting position with its front paws out.
Why they put in a sitting position? Okay.
When do you think is a lion sit?
During the night or during the day?
Okay, during the day, but when?
After eating.
After eating,
Yeah.
that means
Where you
no
enjoy your
problem,
time.
no
Yes.
problem. I'm
Just
relaxing,
sitting. Yeah.
just sitting. It's the same meaning. Okay, everything is okay. We have no problems, and I'm relaxing too.
Okay.
Okay, this is the meaning. This position. I'm
Okay.
relaxing. Don't worry.
Don't afraid.
Yes,
Don't
be
be afraid. Okay.
Okay, we aren't safe. We don't need problems or make problems.
And there.
That statue for King Ramses the Great. Ramses the Great, granite statue represented him with white crown of Upper Egypt, with fake beard, sign of royalty, with royal kilt indeed with his left leg forwards. Okay, they asked why they represented the pharaohs with left leg forwards. You've been Egyptian museum or not yet?
Not yet.
And you don't have enough time to visit.
Not. I think next week I will have.
Inshallah.
I mean, inshallah.
Okay. Here they believe that left leg forward, this reflects his high position as a great and powerful king.
Left forward as.
Left
Yeah,
forward.
yeah, I know. Yes.
Yes.
That's mean.
Yes.
Meaning what you said?
Some saying this military position, some saying no, some said no. This probably reflects his high position as a great and powerful king. Why they believe that? Because they discovered some statues for the main gods
They put it.
with the same position too.
Okay.
Would you like the one photo here?
Yes. I think.
Okay, I can take you one photo, then give you time.
Yeah. My hand.
This, I think this is the video.
Video? Or still video? Okay.